the Jeep, we did a little bit of modifications on the inside to make organization a little bit better. I built this custom drawer system here. Slides out. We keep all of our cooking stuff in it. I'm just being careful because Christina just made us breakfast. And then we're using a dog food container to store our dry goods in because it has an O-ring on it, so it keeps any smells out if you're in bear country. And then the table stores vertically here, which we haven't even had to use because of the trailer, because between this and the toolbox here we have two working surfaces, so we haven't even really needed the table. And then just a standard Coleman cooler. We need to upgrade that because that thing, we're putting ice in it every day basically. And the rest of the Jeep's just stock. There's nothing fancy going on. And we got a roof rack. Made a custom awning, a couple of gas cans up top. Made an axe holder on the side. And then on this side we got a small shovel if we need to dig out or need to make a bathroom. And then wheels and tires we got, they're just old wheels that I had powder coated from a KJ Liberty, and then the BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2s. Good tires. Other than that, the Jeep stock. There's not really a whole lot going on, and it gets us everywhere we need to go. So it's been good.